Hi everyone, it's Nicole here. I'm going to try to do this as a tutorial for you and I'll put it on YouTube. Okay, so with this block, she's going to print out, I don't have like a 1 inch thing or whatever for you, and that's okay. If you don't print her at exactly 100% or your thing, you don't have Adobe when you, or I don't even know if I'm saying that right, when you print this out, please don't be worried about that. So what you're going to do is this is going to come off as a PDF. You're going to print her. And I'll get into how you can alter the pattern too. But what you're going to do is print this off. And what happens is this is 8.5 by 11, but I've requested the blocks to be 10 by 12 trimmed. So that means they'll sew down smaller. Don't worry about what it is finished. That's a trimmed amount. So what you do is you take this block, and all you're going to do is make her into a puzzle. And you're just going to cut along the line like so, straight across where the little dotted perforation is. And this is now A. Then you do the same thing, the next one. Don't use your good scissors. And this is now B, obviously. Then you're going to have section C, D, and E, okay? So then you piece each of these, and I have that perforated there for you. You sew on the sew line. If you want to do this in mirrored, then her hair will be on the opposite side. So what happens then is then you need to make sure that the 1/4 inch seam allowance happens here, okay? And then on like piece D, you want a 1/4 inch seam allowance here with fabric and then at the bottom. And that's why when you sew that together, of course, then she's going to line up perfectly. These do not need to be perfect, you guys. It just needs to be adorable. Okay, so then you piece these back together. But when you're sewing this, remember I've asked this to be a little bit taller than the 11 inches. So if you add an inch at the top, or you can make her legs a little longer, which kind of makes her kind of cute, I think. I like to do that. And then the same thing, it's 8.5 inches, so you can add just a little bit more on one side of the block or the other, or both, whatever works for you. And you can add that on after, or just do it when you do the whole block itself. Now, some of you have asked about the boy pattern, and I haven't done it. And if you really would like me to, I will. But all you have to do is, instead of making these lines this way, just go ahead and make a straight up and down line this way. And then the legs, he could have shorts on if you want, or he can just have pants. Make it nice and simple. In regards to the hair, you can make him bald, which would be kind of cute. Or you could cut off the hair here, or he can have longer hair. It's okay. Whatever. He could be transgendered and have long hair and wear a dress, or he can she can have boy clothes on with hair, whatever. I don't care. They're children. I really appreciate everybody doing this. I have been absolutely overwhelmed with the response. People have asked about the date. If you could get them to me about July 25th, I would appreciate that. And I hope my email was pretty self-explanatory. If not, please feel free to email me. I'll get back with it. Unfortunately, there's been so many emails, and I've been copying, pasting, and trying not to share the emails with anybody else and doing blind copies, that I haven't gotten to sew her myself yet. But I do have some fun fabrics pulled. I think you saw them yesterday. And I'm hoping to get those done. Mr. Rat will supervise, and the kitties will too. Thank you again, everyone, for your support on this Quilty Wishes thing, and from how strongly I feel about these poor kids and being at the border and what's going on. It's just not okay. These are our kids. These are children of the world. All right. I love you guys. Thank you.